Hi guys, this is a courier and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. So today I'm going to share quick three stocks in a short video. The first one is GAIL. See, in GAIL, the GAIL has made a symmetrical triangle pattern and which is also known as a bilateral pattern. What the meaning of bilateral pattern means? Either it can give us the breakout or it can give us the breakdown, right? So any either side move is possible, so that those patterns are called bilateral patterns. So therefore Gale as of now is in a perfect symmetrical triangle pattern. However, if you look at the base and look at the top of Gale, the base is at 128 and the top is at 170. Now the 50% of this entire trading range, which has been quite long, right? In this whole year, Gale is trading in this range, which is 128 and 170. So, if we consider that, so the 50% of the entire trading range of Gale is coming at 149. This is the bullish sideways zone. It took the uptrend, the up move, then it is moving in a range. So, that range is 128 to 170 and the 50% of the range is 149. Now why this 50% is important for us as of now at this point in time? Because the stock closed at somewhere around 146 or 145, correct? And it is absolutely sandwiched between 20 EMA and 60 EMA, which is 20 exponential moving average and 60 exponential moving average. So 20 EMA and 60 EMA are almost equal, which is 145 and 146, correct? And the base is 149. So all these three numbers are in a closed junction. All these three numbers are in a closed junction, which is a 145, correct? Which is a 145, which is your 20 EMA, 146, which is your 60 EMA, 49, 149, which is the 50% of a bullish sideways zone, and it has created a symmetrical triangle pattern. And 20 EMA and 60 EMA are exactly in between, which is 50% of the symmetrical triangle pattern, correct? And as of now, if you see the pattern and the closing, 146 is a support come resistance band within the lower range of this 128 to 170. It means this is the lower range of this sideways zone, which is between 128 to 149. So exactly 146 is the division of the 50% of the symmetrical triangle. 146 is your 60 exponential moving average, and the closing of the stock is also nearby that. So therefore, this 145, 146, 149, these are very, very catalyst at this point in time in Gale. So any move, the breakout of the symmetrical triangle pattern towards the upside or breakdown towards the downside will have a good potential. Upside, it can again retest 170. Downside, it can again retest 128. So there is a good trading come swing opportunity is available at this point in time in Gale. So keep an eye and draw the pattern and look at the levels mentioned in the chart as of now and trade accordingly. So you will have a good opportunity on a swing side or a short term side in Gale as of now, and you can trail your stop losses. So that's Gale for you. The second stock I would like to discuss is one sec. Muthoot Finance. Now, what's happening in the Muthoot Finance is Muthoot Finance on the top of the trend, it has made a head and shoulder. Now, the head and shoulder, if you find anywhere in the top of the trend, like the price is rallying like this, and it is moving sideways, going and then going towards the top, and because we consider Head and shoulder pattern is a bearish pattern. Now if we find this pattern on the top of the trend, the potential of working on this pattern becomes much more higher. The efficiency becomes higher. At the same time, as you can see, there is an intersection between the trend, the short term trend, and the neckline, which I mentioned over here. Therefore, if it breaks the neckline and this intersection within this range over here, the potential of testing this zone, which is 1400, is very, very high. Correct? So keep an eye on MUTHOOT Finance and draw the similar pattern. You have tools available in investing.com or TradingView. You can draw the similar head and shoulder pattern. Have this neckline with you and keep following, keep watching. Put an alert on the neckline, and whenever it breaks, see in 5 or 15-minute chart and trail your trade and short MUTHOOT Finance. Don't have an anticipated thought, and since there is a head and shoulder pattern, so we'll go short for tomorrow. Wait patiently for it to break the neckline. The last thing I would like to discuss is Nifty Futures chart. So I was observing Nifty Futures chart today. See, with Nifty, there's a positive thing that there are so many base available in Nifty 50 as of now. I have tweeted this same chart also. So as of now, if you can see, the Nifty has got a base of 17,350, then 17,325, then this zone is your 17,300 to 17,280, then this zone is your 17,230. Plus, the significance of this zone as of now within the September is that it has got a good support of Gann wave 4 bar 1, this wave. So in my view, we should not do any STBT kind of a trade in Nifty 50 until and unless on a closing basis it breaks 17,230, because once it breaks 17,230 on a closing basis, it will definitely go below Gann wave 4 bar 1. In my previous video, maybe I think 3 weeks back, 3 weeks ago, I have mentioned the 30-degree concept in Nifty 50. So it broke 30-degree trend angle, which is this particular Gann wave 3 bar 1. And again, you see it is trying to reclaim and trying to settle above this 30-degree trend angle, which is 3 bar 1 in this particular trend scenario of Nifty. This is, I think, 15 minutes chart. And Nifty has been trading sideways in a bullish sideways zone. It has spent quite a few hours in this zone. So Nifty is not ready to break 17,300 and 17,280. Any small correction is there. The waves are there. But in my view, in my personal opinion, a severe pain in Nifty can only be felt if it breaks 17,230, that too on a closing basis, alongside breaking this particular Gann wave 4 bar 1, so that this zone will become active, which is 17,070. This zone will active because it has got a huge gap. As of now, on a each wave in a dip, there are a lot of supports available to the Nifty. So there is no as such negative bias until and unless it breaches very conveniently 17,230. So that's it, guys. GAIL, MUTHOOT Finance, and a small synopsis on Nifty Futures. That's for today. Thank you and bye bye.